All right, let's take a closer look at Sri Venkteshwara Institute of Science and Technology. It's located in Thiruvallur, and for all you students getting ready for engineering admissions, the TNEA Code you'll want to remember is 1121.
So, here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with the college's identity and its history. Then, we'll dive into the academic programs they offer. After that, we'll walk through how admissions and scholarships work. We'll also touch on key campus facilities, and of course, we'll finish up by looking at career outcomes.
Okay, first things first. Let's get the core facts straight about this institution.
So what are the must-know details? Well, the college is popularly known as SVIST. It's a self-financing engineering college, and it's affiliated with Anna University, Chennai. It was founded way back in 2002, and as we said, its TNEA code is 1121.
The institution was established by the Sri Venkteshwara Educational Research and Charitable Trust, and this quote really captures the spirit behind why they started the college in the first place, this idea that knowledge grows when you share it.
It's also interesting to see how they've evolved over time. They started out in 2002 with the 4 classic branches. Then they added mechanical in 2009. And just recently, in 2023, they brought in 2 very current new age branches, AI and data science, and cybersecurity. That really shows they're keeping an eye on where the industry is heading.
All right, now for the part you've probably been waiting for. What can you actually study here? Let's look at the BE and B.Tech programs on offer.
So, across all their undergraduate engineering courses, the total approved number of seats is 330.
And here's the breakdown of those seats. You've got 7 different programs to choose from. You can see a solid mix of core engineering branches like mechanical and civil, alongside those computer-focused specializations. This table also gives you the official TNEA branch codes, and, of course, the number of seats available in each one.
And just to highlight these again, the college has recently introduced these 2 new age branches. It's a clear signal that they're trying to align their curriculum with the latest demands of the tech world.
Okay, you know the courses. Now you're probably wondering, how do I get in? And what about financial aid? Let's cover that next.
So, the admission process is straightforward. It's handled through the centralized Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions, or TNEA, counseling. As for the seats, they're split. 65% are filled through the government quota, while the other 35% come under the management quota.
Now this is important, because SVIST is a designated minority institution. Eligible students can apply for a number of government scholarships. We're talking about the First Graduate Scholarship, scholarships for BC, MBC, and DNC communities, and tuition fee waivers for SC/ST students. There are also specific scholarships for minority students. A good tip is to always check your eligibility for these on the National Scholarship Portal.
Let's shift gears and talk about the practical side of student life. What are the key facilities, like accommodation and transport?
So, if you're planning to stay on campus, you'll be glad to know they have separate permanent hostel facilities for both boys and girls. And the mess offers both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food options, so you're covered there.
For students who commute, the college has its own bus service that covers routes in Chennai and the surrounding areas. In terms of public transport, it's pretty well connected. The Thiruvallur railway station is just about 3 kilometers away, which is really convenient. The Chennai airport is a bit further, around 43 kilometers from campus. And now, for the big one. The question on every student and parent's mind, what happens after graduation? Let's take a look at the career outcomes.
This really is the bottom line for so many families making this decision.
60%.
Now, where does that 60% figure come from? That's the placement rate that the college itself has reported for the TNEA 2025 process. It's important for you to know that this data has not been independently verified.
Just to be clear, all the information we've shared with you today is based on what's publicly available on the college's official website and trusted government portals. We put all of this together in March of 2026.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.